What's up, guys? Pandora the Crypto Babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright, guys, I'm back real quick because I want to share something with you guys. Some of you may already know this, but there may be lots and lots of people that don't know this. This is an experience I had on yesterday in Exodus and trying to transfer some crypto. And I just want to share with you guys what I experienced, and maybe it can help someone else out that may experience the same thing. All right, but check out my link, www.coffeeandcoins.info, and see what crypto projects that I am involved with. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give you guys financial advice. I just want to educate you on what's out here and just take you on the journey with me as I get into these different crypto projects. All right, guys, so please do your own due diligence and vet these programs to your best ability, and only invest risk capital in these programs. You need to be able to put in risk capital, and if it crumbles, walk away and say next, okay, because that's the risk we take in the crypto space, or just any investments. Okay, so only put in what you're willing to lose, guys. Risk capital, only risk capital. All right, so let me tell you what happened. Let me show you. Let's go take a look. Hang on. All right, so this is what this experience was, and I'm gonna make sure the title is how to purchase TRX, okay, and transfer it to Exodus wallet if you don't have TRX, which I didn't. So anyway, I went to do my normal usual thing, but I actually was in Exodus. I took a screenshot of it because it's already been resolved. But I was trying to send $200 of crypto to another project that I have. Okay, and I put the wallet address here, and I went to hit submit, and this is what it said. Okay, so I had the crypto in my USDT wallet, right? So you can see right here, put 200 in, and this is what came out. It says you need to make a transaction, you need at least 50 TRX. And I'm going, what are they talking about? I have this money here. So of course this is a gas fee. I get it. All right. So I'm like, okay, what are we doing here? And it tells you right here, 50 TRX is $3.51. All right. So in my mind, initially I'm like, okay, well, I've got $200. Maybe I need to lower this, and maybe I can swap it and try to get some TRX, lower this within the Exodus wallet somehow, and do that. And it even says here swap. Okay, but I couldn't seem to just figure it out. Okay, I kind of messed with this for a little bit. Then I messaged my sponsor of the program, the project that I was trying to move this over to. Okay, I was just adding some additional crypto to a project I'm already in, and he said, yes, you need crypto in the TRX wallet. Okay, so that's another wallet that I never used or was familiar with. All right, so here I am. I'm going, okay, well, what I need to do, and again, I thought I could swap it somehow. So anyway, had a few. One of my associates said, yeah, this is the best way to do it. So what was the resolve of this issue for me? How did I make this happen? Okay, so we leave this as is, and I actually went to Bitcoin, okay, and purchased over whatever it said, $3.51, and it ended up spending maybe $10 with Bitcoin, right? Purchase the Bitcoin and then exchange it, okay, on one of those apps, and I'll show you. Then exchange it and let them swap it from Bitcoin to TRX, and then send the TRX over to this wallet in Exodus. Okay, so let's take a look. So then, okay, so initially I had the 200 over here, right, in my other wallet. Okay, I've since moved it, of course, but this is one of the wallets I use. But it was here. The 200 was here, right? So what we had to do is we needed that $3 or whatever it said, right, $3.51 in this wallet in order to make that transaction work. In order for me to send that 200 over to that other project, to that wallet, it said I needed $3.51. So what we end up doing is I end up buying Bitcoin. Okay, you can buy Bitcoin from Cash App or wherever you have Bitcoin where you purchase it, whatever wallet you have it in, and you can purchase it. Because I didn't have any over here. So you buy the Bitcoin, and then you go to this website to exchange it. All right, let me show you where I went. The simple swap. Now, I've used Changely before, okay, but it's the same concept. By my understanding, this one's a little bit cheaper. So I learned about this one. So what I did is went over here, right, purchased Bitcoin, maybe $10, just enough. $10. I actually went over because you saw what I had in my balance just now. Just enough, and see right here it says, well, what are you trying to do? I want to exchange it for TRX. So you put that amount here, okay? Whatever the amount you're trying to exchange. I went over, so I put like $10 in here, and then switched it here. We want to go from BTC to TRX, and they will exchange it, okay? And then they're going to ask you, after they exchange it, it took about 15 minutes or less. You're going to watch the whole process take place right before your eyes on the screen. But they're going to ask you in here, well, where do you want us to send this when we exchange it to TRX? Where do you want it to go? Of course, over here, because this is where I'm trying to, make the transaction of the $200. So I will go here and click receive and get my wallet address, and then come back over here, give them that, and within 15 minutes they will switch it. Okay, then I'll be able to go here and make my transaction. All right, back where I was, let me show you. I'd be able to go back to the Exodus transaction, and then it knows that I had that, and then the button would show up and just say send. Okay, so whenever this happens, okay, you must have some funds over in this wallet, the Tron TRX. Okay, so that was the lesson learned for me. All right, so now I've got $4.07. Of course, if I need to make another transaction, depending on what the amount is, I've got $4 here. But now, lesson learned, I can just go ahead and buy a little extra, exchange it up front now, maybe put $20 just sitting here. So whenever I make these transactions and they say, hey, you need TRX, I've got it already ready, locked and loaded. Okay, guys, so hope that makes sense. Lesson learned, and I thought I'd share that with you guys. But also, here is a website. Like I said, I've used Changely before. I've done that before, where I've converted Bitcoin to whatever currency I want to, but didn't know about this one, Simple Swap. So go check this one out if you ever need to exchange your crypto. All right, so that's what I want to share with you guys. All right, guys, so that's how you would be able to purchase TRX, exchange it, and send it to your Exodus wallet. All right, hope that makes sense, and hope that helps somebody else out. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.